He hits it in the air to deep left field. Back goes Mayberry looking up, and it's out of here. Nick Evans with a 3-run homer. His second home run of the year, and the Mets have scored 4 in the opening inning. Well, after going down looking in the first inning last night, Evans was not going to go the same way today. Duda runs, and Evans puts it in play off the glove of the diving Polanco, and Duda will stay at second. So Phillies have gone through a lot of bodies in their bullpen this year. Another drive to the gap by Evans, and that's going to go all the way to the wall. Digging for third is Bay. He gets waved on in. 5 straight hits now for Nick Evans as he doubles in a run, and the Mets lead it 7-3.